My name is Timothy Sell, Product Manager for Jim Pattison Lease. Jim Pattison Lease has been a Geotab reseller for about 8 years. We know that telematics is a powerful tool for bringing real-time insights for fleet managers on vehicle performance, driver behavior, and route optimization. This ensures that fleets are running smoothly, safely, and cost-effectively. ENMAX's dedication and engagement with telematics saw them win Geotab's Innovation Award in 2023, and it was well-deserved. Let's hear more about how ENMAX is using Geotab's database tools for telematics.
ENMAX Power Corporation is our Alberta-based wires business. We own, operate, and maintain our distribution and transmission assets in and around Calgary, Alberta, serving over 570,000 customers. Our team is responsible for the day-to-day operations of our mobile fleet assets. We have over 500 assets across our jurisdiction. The reason we've selected Geotab is their offerings are across the board, not only for our vehicles, but also for our stationary assets and for some of our assets that are out in the field 24/7. Geotab has been crucial in helping us achieve our goals by just understanding our fleet. Data is knowledge, and that data has helped serve us in so many different ways, from maintenance, operations, and our replacement strategy moving forward.
Telematics is essential for data-driven decisions. I use several reports with Geotab, but I think my favorite is the utilization report. We like to have very tight utilization. With Geotab's help, we've been able to make a custom report that can allow us to give different business units different vehicles depending on what they need, when they need it.
One of the features I really love is the Geotab Drive solution. So not only has that digitized our paperwork, but it allows crews in the field to be able to have that with them at all times. And it's really helped us move our compliance game forward.
Even a minor can be reported from a team member, and that minor report comes to our team. We're able to confirm that it's complete and close it out as a work order. And that's really evolved us from what was essentially sticky notes prior to that.
We use digital diagnostics all the time. Whenever a vehicle gets a check engine code, we can have that notification come right to us immediately, take that vehicle and take it to the shop as soon as possible. It's just a feature that helps keep our fleet running as long as possible because we know about any potential issues that could cause us money later on down the road.
Geotab also allows us a full understanding of where our team members are. We have many team members that are lone workers and work 24/7 around the clock to keep the lights on for Calgarians. And so Geotab offers us that awareness, situational awareness, in the event that we need to pull someone in or have someone respond to a critical incident. Our control center can see and understand where our trouble response team members are, for example.
Our safety metrics are very important to us. We want to make sure that we're as safe as possible out on the road. Our driver scorecard is something that I monitor very frequently, and our operators love to know that they're within our safety metrics that we provided to them.
It's important that before they leave the barns in the morning, they do a pre-trip inspection. And so we can do that on our tablet, we can do that on our phone. And basically we're walking around the vehicle, we're ensuring that our loads are secure, our lights are all working and functioning, and just really going through those legislative requirements to ensure that we're safe on the road. Once our employees are done that inspection, they sign off on the report, and then that comes to the fleet team. And if they identify any minor correction, we make sure to get that scheduled that night. So it's all in real time. And if they do identify a major, that also comes to our team, and that vehicle is blocked out of service. And so that they can't sign into that vehicle until we've corrected that issue.
Last year we had a vehicle collision where one of our drivers was unfortunately in a crash. We knew about it immediately thanks to Geotab's built-in safety features. We were able to make sure first responders were there right away, and we were also able to alert the manager immediately as soon as the crash happened. Having the speed to be able to address the situation immediately is very important to us, and also the well-being of our drivers is essential, making sure everybody goes home safe at the end of the day. We're really looking forward to some of the new solutions that Geotab is coming out with, the safety center, the maintenance center, and further asset tracking on top of what we already have.
Geotab has been easy to work with. We really do use it end-to-end. It has become our end-to-end solution. It's been awesome.